Hi Achievers! Welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we are learning how to say you want cheese. Be sure to watch the video to the end for a bonus tip. Ready? Please consider subscribing and let's go! Today we continue learning the names of foods and phrases that go with them. When we need to say you want something in Russian, we say ты хочешь, where ты is you and хочешь is want. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word ты or you. The first sound is t, and then we have y. Try saying e while pushing the tongue to the back of your throat. Ты. Try saying it with me. Ты. Excellent. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word хочешь or want. First we have h, and we sound it out. H, h. Then we have o, and o is stressed, so we pronounce it as o. Then we have ch, then goes ye, sh, and soft sign. Soft sign doesn't affect the way we say the word хочешь. Хочешь, which is want in Russian. In English, we simply say I want, you want, where want stays the same. In Russian, we change the form of the verb. Check out the first video on food if you want to review how to say I want or я хочу in Russian. When we need to say you want, it's ты хочешь, where ты is you and хочешь is want. Keep in mind that ты is used when we are talking about one person. Хочешь is the form of the verb want that goes together with ты or you. Let's review what we learned so far. Do you remember how to say you when we are talking about one person? Ты. Excellent. Do you remember how to say want that goes together with you or ты? Хочешь. Excellent. And the last new word for today is сыр. 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 Сыр is cheese in Russian. The first sound is s, then we have y, and the last sound is r. Roll it like a roaring lion. R. Сыр. Excellent. Try saying it with me. Сыр. Well done! Now let's review all the words that we learned today. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go! Ты is you. Хочешь is want. Сыр is cheese. Ты. Хочешь. Хочешь. Сыр. Ты. Do you remember where the other ты is? Excellent. Хочешь? Do you know where the other хочешь is? Well done. Сыр. Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to say you want cheese in Russian. Ты хочешь сыр. Do you remember how to say you when we are talking about one person? Ты. Excellent. What about want? Хочешь. Well done. What about cheese? Сыр. Excellent. And together we have ты хочешь сыр, which is you want cheese. And here is your bonus tip. Sometimes you'll hear native speakers say ты хочешь сыра with an "а" at the end. It means exactly the same as ты хочешь сыр, but it's more conversational. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A+ Russian.